Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. One of the fundamental rules of marketing, you know what? I'd say the fundamental rule is to know your ideal client. Most realtors say they can work with or help anybody. Some might go so far as to declare buyers or sellers as their ideal clients. But how many agents do you think know their ideal client's favorite music, favorite food, their hopes and dreams, their innermost fears? Here's why, from a marketing perspective, it is so important to know who you want to serve down to the finest detail. When you try to speak to everyone, no one hears you. This is because there is nothing that makes your message unique and nothing to catch the attention of someone who is perfectly suited to work with you. In essence, you blend in with all the other noise in your industry, and you know as well as I do that there is a lot of noise in this industry. So, what can you do instead? What can you do specifically to attract your ideal clients? The people who not only like you, but are fun for you to work with and create clients for life. Well, you must create content specifically for them. Speak to them in language that they recognize and understand. You must know them so well that you get into their mind and know exactly what they are afraid of, what they're motivated by, what their goals are, and even what they like to do in their spare time. This is how, through the content you create, you begin to build trust with the clients you want to work with. For example, if your ideal clients are equestrians seeking to buy or sell horse-friendly property, you should create posts and videos that they can recognize and relate with. You could interview riding instructors, feature restaurants in horse country or that share that theme, or maybe tour other equestrian properties. Remember, there are 3 types of content you can and should be creating: entertaining, educational, and empowering. What would your ideal horse client find funny or entertaining? What can you teach him or her? How can you inspire them not only to choose you as their agent, but to live a more fulfilling life? I know, I can hear many agents objecting to this, but Katie, I don't want to create only for horse clients and risk alienating everyone who isn't into horses. The short answer is you won't. By getting hyper-specific with who you speak to, you will also attract people who are merely curious about, in this example, equestrian lifestyle. In addition, you will make it easy for people to refer you to those types of clients because they understand what your expertise is and it will stick in their memory. There is one final crucial element, and that is you must express yourself authentically at the same time. If you love horse farms but are scared of horses yourself, don't pretend that you're a horse expert. You can still make plenty of entertaining, educational, and empowering content if your life is different from that of your ideal clients. You just have to show that you can still understand their needs and solve their problems. By being true to yourself and addressing their concerns and aspirations, you will invite people to get to know you, like you, and then allow them to build trust with you. I'll quickly use myself as an example. As an agent, I created a series on Facebook where I visited local new construction communities. My ideal client was someone relocating to Raleigh who preferred the perks of a new home. And I really dislike new homes myself. Therefore, I walked through model homes and shared my own honest opinions, what I liked and what I personally disliked. I invited viewers to participate and say whether they agreed or disagreed with me. In doing so, I built trust with people that I had never met. They knew that I would share my honest opinions while still looking out for their best interests. I even got referrals from on-site agents that I featured and networked with. I'll leave you with this. Your ideal clients are out there, just waiting for you to speak to them in their language. So get talking. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.